Vlog. It's
Slow.
good morning. It's Monday. Ito ang aking place para sa manicure, pedicure, foot spa. And ito naman ang aming massage room. Ito naman ang Moroccan bath. Yun lang, simple lang. As of now guys, wala pa kami customer ni Dana. Nakauwi na ako guys. Ngayon guys, samahan niyo akong magluto ng lunch namin ni Dana. Dahil pecha de peligro guys, ito ang ulam namin. Gigisa ako ng kamatis tsaka magpiprito ng talong. Dahil wala kasi sibuyas, akala ko meron pa kaya hindi ako nakabili. Ayun, luto na yung ginisang kamatis. Ayun, luto na. Ito lang ulam namin guys for lunch. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ayan na si Dana. Kakabalik lang niya.
Slow.
Super walis na naman si Dana. Napakasipag. Salon namin. Glow Barber and Spa. Boss, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
This is our boss. Very nice boss.
Why?
Ang kagandahan sa bakalan na to, pwede kaming umutang kung anong kailangan namin. Kagaya nito, kape, tinapay. Just got home. Ito na naman ang lagusan ng Encantadia. Dinner namin pansit canton. Ito ang room namin ni Dana guys. Okay na rin. Not bad. May attached bathroom. Ayun. Tapos may washing machine na rin. And ito naman yung hallway papunta sa kitchen. Ito ang kusina namin guys. Simple lang. Maliit lang siya. Ayun. May ref naman kami. Ayun. Wala pang kalaman-laman yung ano namin. Groceries.
We're chasing goals across the sand, building castles with tired hands. Laughter echoes through the heat. Every stumble feels so sweet. JD, no matter turning struggle into gold. This story's ours to hold. JD, no matter turning struggle into gold. This story's ours to hold.
Pasok na naman guys.
Sweat and grit paint
May
the
customer
day.
si Dana.
Hard work
Wala pang
whispers
customer guys.
come and stay.
Uwian na
Then
naman.
the laughs just takes the lead. Together plan
Uwi na kami guys.
to see.
Mangungutang na naman kami ng ulam namin. May daing na dilis sila. Oh. Ito na lang ulamin na.
The journey's ours, we'll do our best. JD, no matter we run, we climb, we plan, turning struggle into gold. This story's ours to hold. JD, no matter we run, we climb, we plan, turning struggle into gold. This story's
Magluluto na naman kami ng ulam. Ito lang ang ulam namin for lunch guys. Kawawa naman kami. Simple. Tapos na naman ang maghapong duty.
waking
Uwian na naman guys. Ngayon i-compute ni Dana yung
linger as
sales namin. Ang laki-laki.
we're chasing goals.
Paldo-paldo na naman kami for today's video. Magkano sa'yo, Mari? Bongga. Akis. Ito ang sales namin ng buong araw. Kay Dana ito. Bye, Hamsa. Good night. Ulam for today, for tonight. Tinolang ano. Bago kami mag-jogging, magluto muna si Marie Dana ng tinola. Tinola with ampalaya, bunga ng ampalaya. Malapit nang maluto ang ulam namin na tinola.
Sweat and grit paint the day. Hard work whispers come and stay.
Hello!
Then the laughs just
Tenda Ibana.
the lead.
Maring.
Together plan
Paparanta.
to see.
May pusa dito nawawala.
Fall silent as we sing. Moments carved
Pabalik na kami guys sa bahay.
no need for maps, no need for rest. The journey's ours.
Nakabukas pa yung salon namin hanggang ngayon.
JD, no man, we run, we climb, we plan.
Good morning guys. Bibihis na rin si Dana. Papasok na siya. Gabset. Bye.